welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic DIY. Today I will be creating a trash to treasure type of project. It is part of a challenge hosted by Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry and Lisa from Lisa and Company. Lisa is Sherry's co-host for this month, and the challenge is called Upcycling Ugly. So you take something that you had thrifted and you don't like it, or it's absolutely ugly, and you create something beautiful for your home. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. So I had gone to a thrift store thrifting, and I came across all of these lids, mason jar lids, and as you can see, they're all tarnished and they're not very pretty. I like using these for Christmas ornaments, creating ornaments, and they were like a box of them for $1, so I picked it up. Now I had separated some that I would be using for this project, because I'm obviously not going to make a box full of ornaments for Christmas, but I had seen this idea on Pinterest and I thought it would be so nice to have it for fall. So besides the rings, I also need some sort of rope or twine. Now I am going to use 3 different chalk paints because I'm going to try to create the look that I'm going for with the spray paint. Chalk paints, these are spray paints, only one is chalk paint. So I'm using the antique pewter, the hammered one, then I'm using the hammered in this rust color, and I can never find where it says what color it is. Caps shows actual color and finish. So it's kind of like a bronzy color, and then a little bit of charcoal in the Rust-Oleum chalk paint. And one thing I don't have here, I have to go grab, is I'm going to use a couple cinnamon sticks. So without further ado, I'm going to get started and get these all spray painted outside. But before I head on outside, like I mentioned, this is a challenge that is hosted by Lisa and Sherry, and I will have their channels linked in the description box, as well as the playlist for this challenge. So make sure you head on over and check out both of their channels, and then for lots of inspiration, head on over to the playlist when you're done watching my video. So let's get started now. So I have them all set up on top of a box, and I'm going to start with my bronzes, the rusty color first. Now I'm going to spray the chalk paint a little bit. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. Just gonna make sure that all the sides are equally painted, and then I'm going to let this dry for about an hour or so. So here they are, all dry, and now I'm going to assemble my pumpkin. I'm doing it my way, whether that is the right way. I'm just letting you know this is the way I'm gonna do it. I think it's gonna work. So I just threaded it through I'm going to try and make it as tight as I can. I did a dry run on this, just so you know, so I knew that it would work. So I'm just going to tighten it. And I'm going to cut off the ends. And I'm going to just separate them. Okay, and now in order to keep the form in here, I'm going to add some cinnamon sticks, and I'm just going to go see how many I need to fit in here. I think one more. So I'm gonna add one more, and I'm going to wrap, actually take one out, and I'm going to wrap a rope around them so they'll give me a little bit more thickness as well. Because I made it so tight, I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue on the rope just to prevent it from coming apart. Ouch. And of course I managed to burn myself right away. Okay, now I'm gonna shove that in, and then I'm going to take my pumpkin and just form it. There. That's it. That's right in there. I'm just gonna push it down a little bit more so it keeps it more secure. And I absolutely love the way it turned out. I'm going to show you in my decor. And so here it is. I think it turned out absolutely stunning, and it's going to be a great addition in my fall decor to go along with all the other pumpkins that I have. So I'd like to thank Sherry and Lisa for hosting this challenge. Make sure you check out their channel and the playlist link down below. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my uploads. This week's gonna be full of fall DIYs, from trash to treasures to makeovers. So stay tuned and have that notification bell on so you don't miss out the uploads. And those of you returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and a great start to a week.